This is a 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. And here's the proud owners of this car.
But when we get it paid for, we'll give it a new paint job. That's what we're going to do to mine.
Ah,
As soon as I get it paid for.
why do you want to do that? Well, it's Christmas morning. It's December 25th, and it's about 11 o'clock. And last night we had a near freeze, and so there's a few plants that are covered up. And it looks like a couple plants got nipped, and the coleus are gone. Yeah, well, they can't stand any cold weather. They can't stand any cold.
See, they used to look like that. Now they look like this.
Oh, they were beautiful yesterday. Well, some of them didn't get it.
I was admiring them yesterday.
All you have to do is trim it off.
Yeah.
You know.
I was admiring their deep
Fruit time. This porch is a mess. We got tangerines from Pete's tree. And there is our car. And Mom's car is back here in the corner. Back in the hole.
in the garage.
It's back in the back.
To me.
Merry Christmas.
Show them what you have in your hand, Danny.
What did you get? What did Santa Claus bring you?
Oh my gosh, let's see it.
You want to show them your
Show
Barbie?
it to me. Show it to me. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Barbies, huh?
She come over by herself in her own car.
She wanted to.
Did she get a car too? Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah.
That's the same sweater. How did y'all do that? How did y'all do that? Got the same sweater. She had the same sweater as you have on.
Okay. You want to take
They've got it at a mother and daughter shop.
Christmas.
Oh, you brought my presents.
corner had them.
Had mother and daughter shirt sweaters. Huh?
Yes.
That's
We're putting the coats in that little room in there.
Say Merry Christmas.
How'd she react this morning? Wide-eyed? Could you drive that car? Get you Santa Claus bring me a car?
Did Santa Claus bring you a car? Yeah.
Bring you a dollhouse?
And Barbie.
Barbie too. Boy.
Okay, Mama's going to help carry things in, okay? You can sit right here and play with your Barbie, okay?
Maybe a little weak.
What are you talking about? Coffee? And here we have, what is this? Pecan pie. Pecan pies. 2 pecan pies.
Yeah, definitely will. Can't guarantee it.
Have some. How many do I have of these?
These are all Christmas. How many do I have of those?
I think you have another.
Well, just before sunup.
Yeah. What did you say it got to? What did he say? 32.
No.
Oh, there used to be one there, but yeah. Because it matches that. It does match. She got this in a Peanut warehouse, and these are the 1928 collection. This doesn't have to say.
What'd you get, Judy? Earrings?
Another Barbie.
This is Mama's gift. Here's your. I think you have enough.
What's the name on that one, Phyllis?
Huh?
What's the name on that one?
Did you get two of them?
Barbie. This is from Ed Sheeran and Apple Pony.
Oh, wow.
What's it say? It's for my Cupid and Angel basket.
That's right. It was just something that came with all, someone gave me a bath kit and they had all the, it had a bunch of the bubble bath and stuff.
Yeah.
You want to open that
And it had that angel
one?
shell.
Here's the present. Wait.
It smells good from the other bath.
That's from the show.
Oh, you better hold it.
That's mine.
You got some of stuff, but that was just something I thought would be for your little bathroom. Didn't matter, I had a fish bath.
We all get together and go out this week. We can all dress up alike.
I got inspired by you. It's all clean fish.
I got a stand.
What are those? Swim chick? Is that a swimsuit or shorts? Those swimsuit or shorts?
Shorts.
Well, Gertie got a pair just like yours. Gertie got shorts just like yours.
Keep opening it.
It's this guy. It's a recycled box.
Robert and I are going to party together.
That was a misleading.
I hope they fit.
I'm sure everybody does.
Yeah. How much tape did you use on this thing?
Well, then you can go through. Open this one.
As a matter of fact, that's pretty. I was just saying I wanted to get a hanging geranium. Oh, is it for this?
Bird feeder.
Is it bird feeder? Or that was
Oh, I
just
guess that may have already been in the box. Sorry.
a hanging geranium, and now I got something to hang it on.
You got a present from Jack.
Oh, I did. That's
It's Jack, you know.
You got a pair of shorts.
Bought my volume this year.
Who got the special on the shorts anyway?
We were looking at those. They're almost the same, aren't they? Yeah.
Boy, Danielle, you're racing again.
I should have got.
That's a ruler.
Plastic bag.
Oh, do you know what this is from? Oh, Robert likes stuff like that. Outfits from the outfit.
But yeah.
Yeah, well, we'll leave this set.
Are these from the Bahamas?
Yeah, that's from the sale shop.
That's really pretty. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you need that?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Oh,
This means your dad, right? That means your dad, right?
Yeah.
You got a nice heart?
I would usually steal hard.
Ryan Duncan. Boy, look at that swimsuit Barbie has. Wow.
That's why Sharon bought her 2 outfits so she could
Cover up. That's her camping swimsuit?
No, that Barbie came separate.
Oh, I hear you.
This is from what we use for every day, which we got about 5 years ago.
Yeah, you'll have to try getting another set.
Just to get more stuff.
Can't order from Mexico.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Cindy. Yeah, I think you're probably right.
Wrong.
Okay. I've got all the possum skewers I need. Okay.
It needs steak. Thank you. Then to plant the guitar.
Sweet potatoes and potatoes, or just sweet potatoes. Or
That's pumpkin.
that's pumpkin and pecan.
Yeah, they're like pecan.
Oh, that old good old.
Yeah. I probably should not have been trusted with that.
Da-da-da.
Gee, we're gonna get our plates and go buy the cake. Because it's all right here. Okay, is everybody ready?
Nah, they're not hungry.
Yeah, we're ready.
They're not hungry. You guys hungry?
Yeah, I'm so weak I can't get up.
So wait.
Are we ready to take it off? Oh, you can talk to her.
Mike, Sharon, we decided to grab our plates and just fill up and then sit and get our wine or tea or whatever. I thought that was the jelly type.
It kind of is both.
It's jellied and berry in it.
I can't believe it.
Gravy?
I look at one thing and grab another.
Then we have gravy, mashed potatoes,
That's what they told me.
Do you want
Mashed
wine, Zoe?
broccoli casserole.
Mashed potatoes are for the 82nd
Do you want
Airborne.
wine, Zoe?
That's how much they made.
Sharon, do you want any wine?
Yes, I'll take a little glass of wine.
There, I'll give you a little wine.
Oh, Mike.
We should have Christmas music or not a football.
Nah.
Yeah, we should.
Mike cutting them
You're
off.
right, Mom.
Where's Danielle sitting?
Right here.
Oh, okay. And where are you sitting?
I'll sit right
Is Danielle's right down beside her?
It doesn't really matter.
Over there? Oh, no, you're over there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be down there.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can pass the cranberry. You can put that on. That's all right. I'll wait. This is better to pass. Oh, there's a ladle for this someplace. Like there's another ladle filled.
Oh, okay.
Did you get that out? Oh,
Now we're gonna eat outside, you know. On the porch.
Now you got, that's the problem.
Go ahead. Don't pay no mind to me.
Spots. I should have set it up over there. Oh, well, we'll get it.
Now you can't sit down, Mike,
I know.
or you get food all over you.
Yeah, and he finally got his something.
Yeah. We didn't start five directions. We started brown and Chucky Brown and very well, Ellie. Yeah, I think it's nice.
I mean, Clyde's out, who's the other one out? Oh, I think it was